The short answer is do more, get better. Whether it's with production during the week, or it's giving presentations, or working on improving our training program for our existing apprentices, there's always room for improvement. By empowering your team to make decisions on safety, quality, production, you are encouraging personal commitment. We provide the opportunity for personal growth from youth apprentices coming straight from high school with on-the-job training and online classes. We offer manufacturing internships, apprenticeships, and tuition reimbursement, so that employment really is just the beginning. What happens next, that's up to you.